Ensuring your horizontal grinder stays up and running is a key factor in helping maintain a productive and profitable operation. Luckily, the Vermeer HG4000 was designed with ease of maintenance in mind. Let's take a closer look at some of the maintenance-friendly features that stand out on the HG4000. Open up the spacious toolbox and you'll find ample room to store tools, parts, and anything else that's handy to have stay with the machine. Easy access to the radiator fan minimizes maintenance, keeping your grinder running efficiently. No need to duck into tight spaces thanks to the easily accessible grease points. A simple grease chart on the machine highlights where these points are and how often they should be greased. Filters for oil and hydraulics can be quickly replaced due to conveniently located panels. To access the mill box for inspection, service, or to change a screen, the operator can easily open the mill lid completely from the machine's control panel or remote. The patented Series 3 duplex drum from Vermeer is a maintenance-friendly marvel of its own. This patented drum design can help increase life with enhancements, such as an independently secured wedge system and enhanced drum balancing. It also gives operators the ability to flip hammers and tips with no welding required, providing longer life to the hammer mill components. Bolted-in replaceable wear liners help protect the mill box from the daily grind, providing a long life for the mill. Screen changes are easier than ever due to the optional screen hoist. Changing screens with this hoist on the HG4000 is just a one-person job. Need to access the engine? With room to spare, the operator can access the engine compartment easily for maintenance and cleaning. A built-in catwalk provides a convenient service platform. If you need to service or tension the drive belt, the panel swings open and out of the way, granting full access to the belt. The easily accessible cyclonic oil tank removes air and increases efficiency of the hydraulic system. And when looking to help protect your investment, the Vermeer Confidence Plus Asset Protection Program offers different maintenance plans to suit the needs of your operation. Contact your local dealer for more information on the Vermeer HG4000 horizontal grinder.